This is you. You're a gladiator in ancient Rome, and right now, the only thing you have to do is survive against the lion roaring at you. All your friends who fought this lion before you lost and are now lying on the ground. Let's say you defeated the lion, survived, and shouted your victory cry. But why did you do it? For gold or for your life? Now, let's get to the heart of it. You're a warrior who was captured in battle and then turned into a slave. Right now, you're being tossed from place to place, and there's nothing you can do. When you open your eyes, you realize you're in a dungeon, in a gladiator school run by a Lanistan who bought you for a pittance from a slave trader and now wants to put you to the test. As time goes on, you become a strong and unyielding gladiator. You've won every match in the arena and maintained your invincibility. Of course, as you win your matches, you earn money and your fame rises. One day, you head to the arena for another match as usual. You've grabbed your sword and shield and are ready to fight. But when you step into the arena, you're met with the bodies of your friends lying on the ground and a massive lion with its cage open right in front of you. As the lion charges toward you, it begins to roar, so fiercely that it feels like your ears will pop. You're both thrilled and terrified, but fueled by an adrenaline rush, you attack the lion and somehow manage to defeat it. The wound you sustain becomes a source of pride for you. But why did you do it? For gold or for your life? Let's get to that now. Actually, it was both. You ended up there as a prisoner but emerged as a gladiator. If you hadn't fought, you would have lost your life. But of course, these matches had their rewards. Even though you earned very little at first, as a prestigious and famous gladiator, your earnings increased significantly. Back then, famous gladiators earned substantial amounts. Normally, gladiators don't fight lions, and that day, you were already taken aback by that surprise situation. But when you emerged victorious, you were rewarded with a massive sum. So, would you be able to reach the level where you could buy a wooden sword for your freedom, or would you lose your life in a match and lose the money you'd saved? You are standing in the very center of the arena. A massive lion roars right in front of you. Your only objective is to stay alive. Every friend who stepped onto these sands before you is now a corpse. But ask yourself, why are you really here? Is it just to save your life? Or is it for those glittering Roman gold coins? Your story actually began in a dark dungeon. You were a prisoner of war. You were sold cheap at a slave market and forced into a gladiator school. Over time, you became an unbreakable warrior. With every victory, your fame grew and your pockets started to fill up. Today is not like your usual matches. Facing a lion was a total surprise. Usually, a gladiator would not be matched with wild beasts in this way, but you won. Your wounds became a source of pride. That day, you left the arena with one of the largest rewards in history. Now, the real question remains, will this fortune be enough to buy the Rudis? That wooden sword that grants your freedom, or will you lose everything on the sand in your very next fight?